Okay, so question number 7 will be A and B are 2 points on a straight line. Ram runs from A to B while Rahim runs from B to A. Okay, A and B are 2 points. Ram runs from A to B while Rahim runs from B to A. Okay, so Ram from R1 and R2. Okay, so for this already we know that when they exchange after if we know their speeds after meeting, so they can directly write their speed to be ratio of time taken by Ram after speed will be 1 minute, and after meeting Rahim will take 4 minutes, so directly 2/1 is the answer to this question. Now question number 8. A sum of money was split among AS, Anil, Sunil and Mita. Anil is to Sunil. The ratio of Anil to Sunil is 3:2 and Sunil is to Mita is 4:5. Now we have to make this ratio equal. Multiply this by 2. So this becomes 6 and this becomes 4. So now the final ratio is 6:4:5. Okay. Now it is given that the difference between largest and the smallest. So this is the largest, this is the smallest. It is 2 and this is given equal to 400. Then this Sunil share is 4. So multiply this with 2. So 4 equals 2 equals 400, so 4 equals 800. That's it. This is the answer. Now question number 9. ABC are 3 positive integers. A pretty good question. Okay, the sum of A and mean of B and C is 5. Okay, so A plus B plus C is equal to 5. So this can be written as 2A plus B plus C equals 10. Similarly, we can write the second equation as well. This will be 2B plus A plus C equals 14. Now subtract both equations. This to this we subtract, we'll get B minus A plus C equals 4. Okay, this we got, isn't it? Sorry, no C gets cancelled. So B minus A equals 4. This we got when we subtracted. Okay, now we'll add both the equations. So we'll get 2 plus 1 3. 3A plus B plus 2C equals 24. Now this is simple. If we take this to be x, so this we can write as 3x plus 2C equals 24. Now simply integral solution. Okay, topic type it is, or you can better use the options. Okay, what we'll do is we'll take the options. Okay, the options are, I'm telling you, just a second, I'm telling you options. Question number, this was question number 9. Sum of A plus B is, the options are 6, 4, 7 and 5. Okay, so if we take this to be 6, we'll get positive value. Yes, we'll get a positive value for both. Okay, so this 4 can be possible. Okay, now if we take B plus A as 4, so in this A becomes 0, so this is not possible, so 4 is gone. Now if we take this to be 7, again we won't get integer value. You can easily see when we get 5.5, 7, 4, 11, we can, so not possible. Again if we take 5, again integral value not possible, so only possible is 6. So 6 is the answer to this question. Now last question. Leaving home at the same time, Amar reaches his office at 10:15 if he travels at 8 kilometers. So let's say the distance is x, so he travels with speed 8. Now in another case, he reaches at 9:40 if he travels at 15. Okay, so say distance x only. Now in these two cases, in this case he reaches at 10:15, and in this case he reaches at 9:40. The time difference in these two cases is 20 plus 15, so 35 the time difference is. So basically the difference of this both are time only, na? This can be written as 35 by 60. Now when you solve this, we'll write it as this 60 into 120, simply taking the fraction of solving 2, 5. So x is basically 10. The distance is 10 kilometer. Now the question is, he leaves at 9:10 and he has to reach at 10 a.m. So basically 50 minutes. So 50 minutes is basically 50 by 60 hours. So speed should be, distance is 10, time is 50 by 60. So this is 12. So 12 km/h should be his speed. That's it, done.